Good afternoon, one and all. My name is K. Ashta. I am from 901. Today I am going to explain about the sum given on this board. To solve this sum, we should use the process called Lami's theorem. For Lami's theorem, the formula is T1 by sin theta 1 equal to T2 by sin theta 4 equal to weight by sin theta 3. Now, according to this formula, theta 1 value is opposite of T1. T1's opposite value is 90 degrees. So, we can write it as T1 by sin 90 degrees equal to T2 by sin theta 2 value is E2's opposite direction number. T2's opposite direction is minus 20 degrees, which is equals to the given weight is 30 newtons. 30 newtons by sin theta 3 value is opposite of 30 newtons. The opposite of 30 newtons is 150 degrees. So, according to trigonometric ratios, sin 90 degrees is equal to 1 equal to T2 by sin 120 degrees. We can write it as sin 180 minus 60 degrees, which is equal to 30 newtons by sin 150. We can write it as 180 minus 30 degrees. We can write T1 by 1 is T1, which T2 is considered as weight. We can write sin 180 minus 60, which belongs to Q2 quadrant, is sin 60 degrees equal to 30 newtons by sin 180 minus 30 degrees is from quadrant 2. So we can write it as sin 30 degrees. T1 equal to V2 by sin 60 degrees is equal to note 3 by 2, which is equal to 30 by sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Now we can substitute these values. Now we can take T1 equal to 30 by 1 by. When we transpose 1 by 2 this side, division will become multiplication. T1 equal to 30 into 2 by what? T1 equal to 60 newtons. Now we can find T2 by root 3 by 2, which is equal to T1. We know that T1 value is 60 newtons. We should transpose root 3 by 2 to the numerator. Then it becomes 2T2 by root 3 equal to 60 degrees. We can cancel this. 2 ones are and 230 times. Now we can write it as T2 by root 3 equal to 30. We can transpose root 3 this side. Then T2 is equal to 30 root 3 Newton. Now here upon T1 and T2 value. Thank you.